Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Zorn. Today I'll be talking to you about the Contino system for men with urinary incontinence. First, let's talk about urinary incontinence. So men, if you look at the anatomy here, bladder, prostate, the sphincter. And for many reasons, be it radiation therapy, surgical therapies, patients with neurological issues, that sphincter isn't working well. And so when a male will cough or stand or sneeze, they express pressure on the bladder, will push the urine without any resistance here, leakage will occur. So men first up front will be wearing pads, diapers, and other than going toward with physiotherapy to try and strengthen that sphincter, or a surgical procedure, an artificial sphincter in which a ring-like structure is put at the base of the urethra to clamp off and using a special pump to release that squeeze. What other techniques are there? So not everyone wants to undergo the surgery. In the past, and certainly now, they're offering some men what's called the Cunningham clamp or a penile clamp. So it's something that sits with some gauze, some compression foam around the urethra. The problem is it's discomforting, and number two, when a gentleman leans forward, stands up, or certain people with certain body habits, that skin will release, that clamp will slide off, and then they're back to being incontinent. So all of a sudden we have this revolutionary, small, simple, effective device that is inserted by the gentleman. It's kind of like a plug. It's made of silicone, could be used up for a month, and this will be introduced with some lubricant into the urethra. We slip off, pull out, and there we go. Immediate, effective continence for a gentleman. And so when the bladder fills up, they have to urinate. They'll simply walk up to their toilet or urinal, pull out the plug, and then they'll initiate their urination. So right after they finish urinating, they reapply. And what's nice is that this comes with a very small applicator with its own kind of discrete lubricant. They can reload using just simple dish soap, wash the product, and is ready for use. And it comes in various different sizes depending on each gentleman's urethral opening and aperture, and very discreet that they can walk around like that. So I think this serves as a unique, effective, simple device which can really restore quality life to these gentlemen who are suffering from severe incontinence.